Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable dark theme on Camtasia Studio. Open Camtasia Studio on your computer. On the home screen, click on New Project. A blank editing workspace will appear. In the top menu bar, click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. A Preferences window will open. Under the Program options, look for the setting Application Theme. Under the Theme options, select Dark from the available choices. Click OK to save the changes. Now close and reopen Camtasia Studio. The Camtasia interface will now switch to dark mode. This is how you can enable dark theme on Camtasia Studio. Thank you for watching.